How to make pink forest mocktail. Okay, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today my name is Diptendu Achar. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail pink forest. First of all, take a shaker glass. This is the rose syrup based mocktail. Then you have to pour 15 to 20 ml of rose syrup into the shaker glass. After that, you have to pour 90 ml of apple juice. Then you have to pour same 90 ml of cranberry juice. Okay, this is also very fancy mocktail, you can try. After that, you have to add 15 to 20 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to pour ice cube. After adding ice cube, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Okay, with the help of shaker, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then you have to take a fancy glass or a hurricane glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the hurricane glass. Then take a small decanter and add 15 to 20 ml of green apple syrup and lemonade or Sprite. Okay, and slowly you have to pour the mixer on top of the mocktail with the help of bar spoon. This is very simple mocktail, you can try. Okay, mocktail name is Pink Forest with the combination of rose syrup, apple juice, cranberry juice and green apple syrup and Sprite and lemon juice. See, your mocktail is ready. You can garnish the mocktail with, you can pour some more green apple syrup. Okay, after that just garnish with mint, spring and lemon slices. I hope you like this mocktail, and cranberry juice, apple juice, rose syrup and green apple syrup and Sprite and lemon juice, so that you can prepare this mocktail. This is totally different mocktail, you can try. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like my mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Just for this mocktail.